In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly fix the "something went wrong" error on Google Gemini. If you're using Google's Gemini and suddenly see a message that says something went wrong, don't worry. This is usually a temporary hiccup, and the fix is straightforward. We'll walk through it together so you can get back to your conversation or start a new one without losing momentum. First, open Google Gemini in your web browser. Use any modern, up-to-date browser and head to the Gemini page like you normally would. Give the page a moment to load completely. If Gemini opens as expected, you're good to go. But if you're staring at that "something went wrong" message, it just means the page didn't load cleanly the first time. The simplest and most reliable fix is to reload the page. On desktop, look for the reload icon near the address bar. It's the circular arrow, and click it once. You can also use a shortcut. Press Ctrl+R on Windows or Command+R on a Mac. Press it once, then wait a few seconds. If you prefer, tapping F5 on many keyboards does the same thing. On mobile, tap the reload icon in your browser or pull down from the top of the page to trigger a refresh, then release. As the page reloads, watch for the interface to fully reappear: the text box, your previous chats if they're available, and the main Gemini panel. This is your cue that things are back to normal. If the message still appears after a single refresh, wait a brief moment and try one more reload. Sometimes a server or connection blip resolves itself within a few seconds. If you're on desktop and want a slightly stronger refresh, hold Shift while clicking the reload button to perform a hard refresh, which asks the browser to fetch fresh content instead of relying on anything it previously cached. A quick tip as you refresh: avoid rapid, repeated clicks. Trigger one reload, then give it a few beats to complete. Most of the time, this is all that's needed to clear the error and restore full functionality. Once the page comes back without the error, you're done. You can start a new prompt, pick up where you left off, and continue using Gemini as usual. That's all there is to it. A quick reload is typically the fastest, cleanest fix for the "something went wrong" message. Thanks for watching. If this helped, try it the next time you run into a similar hiccup, and you'll be back on track in seconds.